Today I'm going to show you how to convert this rectangle here into a square of the exact same area. I'm going to show you how to do this by the mean proportional. First thing we have to do is drop down the side of this rectangle, and that's easily done by extending on this bottom base and using your compass to drop down an arc, and we just extend it on that bit of a line there. From there we need to come down here and divide this full line AB into two and get our midpoint, and we swing a semicircle around AB. From there we extend up this line here, the side of the rectangle, till it hits the point on the circumference, and we get a point C, and this is how we find our mean proportional line. So this mean proportional line, up here we see it's there in red, and that is the side length of the square. So we just draw the square using this side length, the mean proportional, and this square is the exact same area as this rectangle. And that's how we convert the rectangle into a square of the exact same area using the mean proportional. Now I'll show you how this is done. We can look at this diagram here, same as this one, just down here, and we see we have two triangles. We have this triangle here and we have this triangle here. Already we have a few angles. We have a 90 degree angle here and a 90 degree angle here, because, well, this line is perpendicular to this line, because it's the side length of the rectangle, so it has to be perpendicular. So we have two 90 degree angles here, and we have another 90 degree angle up here, and that's because an angle touching the circumference of a semicircle has to be 90 degrees if it's lying on the same diameter or chord. So we have this 90 degree up here, with two more there. So if we take this angle here, we'll say it's approximately 30 degrees. So if this angle is 30 degrees and that angle is 90 degrees, them added together is 120, taken from 180 is 60. So this angle up here is 60, and we know that because the angles in a triangle are 180 degrees added together. So if this angle is 60 and this whole angle then is 90 degrees, if we take 60 from 90 we get 30, and that is our angle here. And the same as doing over here, if this angle plus this angle is 120 degrees, then this angle down here has to be 60 degrees. Now if I take these triangles out here and just draw them out quickly, I'll explain this a bit more. These two triangles, as we can see, are congruent. Congruent means that all the angles in a triangle are the same. Now it doesn't mean that their side lengths are the same, but they are congruent, and that's how we prove, using these two congruent triangles, that the area of this rectangle is the exact same area as this square.